three states of India. India became independent on 15 August 1947. Earlier, it was ruled by the British. Independence gave us the right to choose or elect our own government. We elect the central government, which looks after the safety of the country and the welfare of the people. The central government makes laws for the entire country. India is so big that it is not possible for a single government to understand and solve the problems of all the people. Therefore, after independence, our country was divided into smaller parts called states. Each state elect a state government which looks after the welfare of the people of that state. Thus we have two types of government: the central government and the state government. Some smaller parts of the country are directly under the control of the central government. These are called union territories. Central government. The offices of the central government are in New Delhi, the capital of India. The president, the vice president, the prime minister, other ministers and senior officers of the central government live and work in the capital. The president of India lives in the Rashtrapati Bhavan. The central government helps the state governments when needed. State government. There are 28 states in our country. Every state has a capital and an elected government. The names of the states and their capitals are given in the table on page 174. Capitals of states: Andhra Pradesh, Amravati. Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar. Assam, Dispur. Bihar, Patna. Chhattisgarh, Raipur. Goa, Panaji. Gujarat, Gandhinagar. Haryana, Chandigarh. Himachal Pradesh, Shimla. Jharkhand, Ranchi. Karnataka, Bangalore. Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. Madhya Pradesh,
मध्य प्रदेश,
भोपाल,
भोपाल,
महाराष्ट्र,
महाराष्ट्र,
मुंबई,
मुंबई,
मणिपुर,
मणिपुर,
इम्फाल,
इम्फाल,
मेघालय,
मेघालय,
शिलोंग,
शिलोंग,
मिजोरम,
मिजोरम,
ऐजवाल,
ऐजवाल,
नागालैंड,
नागालैंड,
कोहिमा,
कोहिमा,
उड़ीसा,
उड़ीसा,
भुवनेश्वर,
भुवनेश्वर,
पंजाब,
पंजाब,
चंडीगढ़,
चंडीगढ़,
राजस्थान,
राजस्थान,
जयपुर,
जयपुर,
सिक्किम,
सिक्किम,
गंगटोक,
गंगटोक,
तमिलनाडु,
तमिलनाडु,
चेन्नई,
चेन्नई,
तेलंगाना,
तेलंगाना,
हैदराबाद,
हैदराबाद,
त्रिपुरा,
त्रिपुरा,
अगरतला,
अगरतला,
उत्तराखंड,
उत्तराखंड,
देहरादून,
देहरादून,
उत्तर प्रदेश,
उत्तर प्रदेश,
लखनऊ,
लखनऊ,
वेस्ट बंगाल,
वेस्ट बंगाल,
कोलकाता,
कोलकाता,
गवर्नर,
गवर्नर,
the chief minister,
the chief minister,
other ministers
other minister,
and senior
and senior
officers
officers
of the state
state
government
government
live and work in the state capital. The state government
The state government
looks after
looks after
the welfare
the welfare
of the people
of the people
living in that
living in the
state.
state.
It provides
It provides
healthcare
healthcare
and education
and education
and maintains
and maintains
law and order.
law and order.
Union territories.
Territory.
They are
They are
8 union
8 union
territories
territories
in
in
India,
India,
including
including
the national capital
the national capital
territory
of
Delhi.
Delhi.
Here the local
Here the local
governments are
governments are
helped by
helped by
the central
the central
government to
government
work
to work
for the people.
for the people.
The national capital
The national capital
territory of
territory of
Delhi
Delhi
and Puducherry
Puducherry
are two union territories
union territories
that have a chief minister.
chief minister.
Let us learn
Let us learn
the names of the
the name of the
union territories
union territory
and their capitals
capital
from the table below.
table below.
Andaman
Andaman
and Nicobar
Nicobar
Islands,
Iceland,
Port Blair,
Bay,
Chandigarh,
Chandigarh,
Dadra
Dadra
Nagar Haveli
Nagar Haveli
and Daman and Diu, Daman, Jammu and Kashmir,
Jammu and Kashmir,
Srinagar, Jammu,
Jammu,
Ladakh, Leh, Lakshadweep,
Lakshadweep,
Kavarati. National capital territory of Delhi, Puducherry,